Hi, Vasco Spirian from Garnish Music Production School. Pitch Hack is an audio effect from the recent free pack creative extensions from Ableton. It is a one-stop device for various pitch-related effects. At its heart, Pitch Hack is a single delay line with transposition control both in semitones and cents. Besides pitching the incoming signal in real time, Pitch Hack can reverse the audio, randomize the transposition internal, and fold the delay signal back into the delay line. I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next one.